1 week before Thanksgiving comes a stern warning from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Don't travel.
Amidst this critical phase of the COVID-19 pandemic, CDC is recommending against travel.
The agency made the comments during a conference call. The recommendation comes as the coronavirus continues to take its toll on the nation. The CDC says traveling right now will spread COVID-19 from one part of the country to another. The nation's top infectious disease specialist, Dr. Anthony Fauci, has also urged against traveling. Members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, led by Vice President Mike Pence, gave their first briefing today in 6 months as the country surpasses 252,000 deaths.
We need to actually double down on the public health measures as we're waiting for that help to come, which will be soon. We'll be getting vaccine doses into people at high priority at the end of December.
While the vaccines are promising, there could be another game changer. The FDA has approved the first at-home rapid COVID test. You'll need a prescription, and it's expected to cost around $50 for a single use. Dr. Gregory Berry is the director of infectious disease diagnostics at Northwell Health Labs. He says one drawback, the home is not a controlled environment like a clinic or lab.
In this case, if you don't do the proper kind of collection, you have to worry about false negatives. So it's very important that any test, that the instructions are followed exactly.
Made by Lucira, the test is administered by a nasal swab, then inserted into the enclosed vial, which enters the test unit for analysis. Results are displayed within 30 minutes. The unit's light-up display will show positive or negative. Dr. Berry says the more testing, the better, and this may ease the burden on testing at medical facilities.
Testing is obviously a major integral component of knowing where the infection rates lie. And this is definitely another important tool in the tool belt, and it's a step in the right direction.
Now, the at-home test kit is not expected to be widely available until next spring at the earliest. The company that makes the home test says their kits were accurate 94% of the time in their data. Now, also, AstraZeneca reporting tonight that data from their vaccine shows it is effective in older adults, and they are preparing to release late-stage trial results by Christmas. So this is the third vaccine to show promise.